సౌరశక్తిని వినియోగించుకొని సోలార్ సిస్టమ్ ద్వారా విద్యుత్ ఉత్పాదన వినియోగంపై మిర్యాలగూడ పట్టణంలోని మీనా మహిళా ఇంజనీరింగ్ కళాశాలలో 2 రోజుల పాటు డిజైనింగ్ ఆఫ్ సోలార్ ఎనర్జీ పీవీ సిస్టమ్ అనే అంశంపై విద్యార్థినులకు వర్క్షాప్ నిర్వహించారు. హైదరాబాద్కు చెందిన జీవీఈటీ మేనేజర్ పురుషోత్తమాచారి వర్క్షాప్కి రిసోర్స్ పర్సన్గా వ్యవహరించారు. సౌరశక్తితో విద్యుత్ వెలుగులు, విద్యుత్ యంత్రాలను రన్ చేయడం వంటి అంశాలను విద్యార్థినులకు ప్రయోగాత్మకంగా వివరించారు. కళాశాల చైర్మన్ మహమ్మద్ అలీ మాట్లాడుతూ, తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో విద్యుత్ ఉత్పాదన సాధించడానికి సౌరశక్తిని ఎలా వినియోగించుకోవాలో విద్యార్థినులు ప్రయోగాత్మకంగా నేర్చుకోవడం జరిగిందన్నారు. ఇటువంటి వర్క్షాప్ల ద్వారా విద్యార్థినులు ఎంతో విజ్ఞానం సంపాదించుకోవచ్చని చెప్పారు. విద్యార్థినుల భవిష్యత్తును బంగారుమయంగా తీర్చిదిద్దడానికి మరిన్ని వర్క్షాప్లను నిర్వహిస్తామని తెలిపారు. వర్క్షాప్లో పాల్గొన్న విద్యార్థినులకు ప్రశంసా పత్రాలు అందజేశారు. 2 రోజుల పాటు జరిగిన కార్యక్రమాల్లో కళాశాల డైరెక్టర్ షహలా, ప్రిన్సిపల్ డాక్టర్ షాజీ, కరుణాకర్, పూజా భాస్కర్, వివిధ విభాగాల అధిపతులు, అధ్యాపకులు, విద్యార్థులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
Post 6 తీసుకోండి ఇంత రేంజ్ లో
16 or 17. Download an app called Angle Meter Pro Plus in your phone. Angle Meter Pro Plus app download చేయండి. మెజర్మెంట్ ల్యాబ్ లో మల్టీమీటర్స్ ఉన్నాయని చెప్పి చిన్నవి కూడా ఉంటాయి కదా, అనలాగ్ వోల్ట్ మీటర్ ఎంత ఉంది? 300
వేరే విధంగా పోతుంది మేడం ఏమనుకుంటున్నాను.
connect it, you will get a value that is VOC. Then you will get a value that is okay. Same manner, connect directly to ammeter. Okay. After taking down these values, connect according to the circuit diagram. While doing this, no one should be front of the what? Why? So give me a tablet column. Yes, that is operating with table. Tablet column. Front of the right. Right. So you have to be northern side here, not in southern side. You have to connect the panels in 12 and batteries also in 12. If you select 24 volts inverter, so then you have to select or connect the panels in 24, batteries also in 24. Understood? Yes. So that's why first we have to select inverter. So whatever the voltage is there of the inverter will become the system voltage. So what is the system voltage for our system here? What is the voltage? 12. Our inverter voltage is 12. So now our system voltage is also 12. So now we have selected, get 8 hours. 8 to 12 hours depending upon the season it changes. 36. So we have 36 system. We have 48. Right? So can we go for, listen here, can we go for 150 watt, 4 numbers? What is our requirement? 510. So which means even we are getting more 90 watts. So here we are meeting the requirements of even number as well, and we are able to 16 or 17. Download an app called Angle Meter Pro Plus in your phone. Angle Meter Pro Plus app download చేయండి. Front of the right. Right. So you have to be northern side here, not in southern side. Understood? Do it.
Everyone, I am Nagaduti, a student of Diploma 3rd year Tripoli from Meena Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women. Since yesterday, a workshop being conducted in our organization in collaboration with Greenvia Technologies. More than over 125 students belonging to EEE and ECE enrolled their names and actively participated in our workshop. This is a workshop which has been conducted on solar PV system and also the thermal. How about the theoretical knowledge and about the practical knowledge? Every day we have been seeing that many of the students are going to study various institutes for having theoretical knowledge. But once if you step out of college, what you need the most is having practical knowledge. So these type of workshops will definitely enhance and gives you the workshop details that how you need to give connections or what type of the structure and how it is functioning. The workshops which is being organized in our institutes will enhance all our students' ability of having and understanding various equipments and their connections. This is a common program which is going to be organized by our organization. In every semester, we will have at least 2 to 3 workshops being conducted. Either the workshops or seminars or different types of programs which will definitely enhance and gives more importance and moralities to the students, which are very important for surviving in the present society. As we know that the competition is being increasing day by day, we must be able to cooperate and withstand all type of situations in the present world. So we need to be perfect either in the way of theoretical or in the way of practical. So please do participate in these workshops which are being conducted and don't ever miss these chances. Thank you everyone.
Meena Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women. In today's world, people are talking about engineering education or engineering. After learning engineering, many of the students are without job. It is not so. The main reason behind it is many colleges, the students are learning only from the books. So they are getting a degree rather than getting an engineering degree. So degree doesn't mean or it doesn't make any sense. Once a student is learning hands-on experience, everyone, whoever is coming out with an experience, hands-on experience, their companies are ready to absorb them. So in our institute, Meena Institute of Engineering and Technology, we believe that our students, whoever is joining with us, we are making sure that our students are well versed in practical rather together with their theoretical knowledge. So to enhance those things, we have arranged a workshop for 2 days in collaboration with Greenvia Technologies, Hyderabad. And our students have learned a lot of things about solar technology, solar PV systems, and even hands-on experience. We thank the management for providing such opportunities to our students.